Willkommen zurück zu einem neuen Video für Einfach Storage. Wir haben heute wieder einen Gast bei uns, und zwar Sam Werner. Sam Werner ist in IBM der VP für das Thema Produktmanagement und somit verantwortlich für die IBM Produktstrategie. So Sam, it's a pleasure having you on our channel, Einfach Storage.
Excited to be on, yeah.
That's great.
Yeah.
And with having you, of course, I have to ask you about the IBM storage strategy going forward, now in fall of 2023. So what are the things that are basically on your mind?
I spend a lot of time with clients. I go out and talk to them about the challenges they're having, particularly the infrastructure teams and particularly the storage infrastructure teams, since that's the business we're in. And there's three key themes that keep coming up, and that's where I'm pushing our investments in our storage products to help solve some of those challenges. Those three pain points are: number one, as enterprises go through this idea of app modernization and they start embracing cloud native or container native type programming, how do we modernize infrastructure to support that so that I can still provide high availability, security, data governance within those new types of environments and be very agile and responsive to the needs of the developers who are constantly trying to go faster and faster in how they build and deliver value to their clients. So that's number one. Number two is around unstructured data management. We all hear about AI, ChatGPT.
Yeah.
It's an exciting
Watson
thing. Yeah, Watson X, of course. The thing is infrastructure teams need to get involved in this conversation as well. They have to manage the enormous growth of unstructured data in the cloud, on-prem, at the edge, but they need to bring it all together for the AI initiatives. Because ultimately, an AI model is not very interesting if it's just generic and doesn't bring in your information about your industry, about the way your company operates, about your clients, etc.
But what's the information infrastructure stake on the AI journey then?
Well, you got to first of all build out a foundation for all of this, which usually starts with an object storage layer, right? And usually you're already embracing object storage within public clouds, but how do you build a similar framework on-prem and then bring together the data and unify it under a single platform? And that's what we're working on with our clients and with Watson X.
That's exciting,
Yeah. And then the third area, I don't think will be a surprise to you, which is around security. Big problem everywhere. We hear about it every day. I don't need to just explain that to anybody. The cyber attacks, the ransomware attacks we see and the impact it has on the world. So we're doing a lot to shorten the time it takes to detect the attack once it gets into your data, so that you can shorten the time it takes to recover from the attack. Because at the end of the day, one thing is somebody in storage or interested in storage probably knows, when there is an attack, to get back up and running, it requires recovery of your data, which means bringing data out of a backup of some sort and putting it back into storage of some sort. So we're absolutely critical to that, and that's what we're working on.
Very exciting.
Yeah.
Clear three strategies.
Yeah.
Clear vision. So
Enough to keep us busy.
I assume so.
Yep.
So Sam, thanks a lot for being on our channel. Ich hoffe, es war interessant zu sehen, die drei strategischen Ausrichtungen der IBM Storage im Herbst 2023. Vielen Dank für Ihr Interesse und bis bald zum nächsten Video auf Einfach Storage.